Hello, today you're looking at a Mapco 2-horsepower exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. This is a PVC construction blower. We'll take a look at the wheel here on the inside. Very nice condition, no wear or tear that I can see. Overall dimensions 52 inches long by 42 inches wide by 38 inches high. It is a 3-phase motor. Can be wired for 230 or 460. Currently wired for 230. Inlet is 19 inches. The outlet is 19 inches by 14 inches. Take a look at the motor there. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it run. Very nice. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.